Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can spot fake testimonials on sales pages. Now these are the types of sales pages that you might get on software that come from networks like Warrior Plus, where you have a lot of really outlandish claims on the sales pages, and then you have a lot of these types of visuals which are supposed to be financial proof, and you have testimonials. So guys, I'm going to show you a few quick tips here that will help you understand whether these are honest or whether these are sales pages that are designed to kind of fool you into parting with your hard-earned money for some software that, quite frankly, is not going to do anything for you. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I upload my next videos. And guys, if you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and hit the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started today. So guys, this is a software called Photon. I'm not going to go into vendors in this particular video, but I am going to show you how you can go into various sites and they'll help you understand whether these products are genuine or not. So basically what you need to do is come down and have a look at things like these financial proof, and you can look at things like these testimonials. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, is I'm going to go into a site called Muncheye. Now this is a really easy way that you can find out whether some of these products are genuine or not. You just go ahead and find the vendor's name here that produced this, and then find their old products. Now most of these vendors are serial launchers, so they'll launch every single month, and you can find that product in this list. It is a bit tricky sometimes, there's a lot of different products, but just go to the actual date that you're on, or around about the date you're on, and you'll be able to find that particular product. So the product is here, Photon. Now the first thing you can do is go start having a look at some of these other sales pages and see if they're similar. Because at the end of the day, you're looking for genuine testimonials that are applicable to this product, not any old product. So you can go ahead and hit this Profit NFT. Now I've already got Profit NFT open, and if we go ahead and just compare those two sales pages, you'll see very quickly that when I come down to this financial proof here, which is saying that this is from Profit NFT, and this financial proof here, which is saying it's from this Photon product, all of this is exactly the same. This is some weird squished image here, but it's 84,201.25. Then you come over to here and it's 84,201.25. Exactly the same financial proof, so you know straight away that whatever this is hasn't come from Photon, because these are two totally different products, guys. Next thing you can do is come down to the actual testimonials. Now I know that these testimonials aren't real because I've seen these images on every single one of their sales pages. So you can come along and you can compare. Now I am going to show you a little trick in a minute to find out whether these images are right, but you can do a number of things with this text here. So one thing you could do is go over to a plagiarism checker, copy and paste this into a plagiarism checker, and it will check for you. This one is called plagiarismdetected.net, and I'll leave the link to this in the description below. It'll check for you whether this has been plagiarized. So you can see that this has been 100% plagiarized, and if I come down here, it links off to this again, Profit NFT review. So it's telling me that these words here basically will be on this sales page as well. So we can go and check that as well physically. If I just come down here and I have a look at this one here, when I first logged into Profit NFT, I couldn't believe how well the whole system worked. And come down to here, when I first logged into Photon, I couldn't believe how well the system worked. So you can see now that these testimonials aren't real. The financial proof isn't real on these sales pages. So you can get a sense now for what you're actually going to get when you get inside. Now guys, it's up to you what you buy at the end of the day, but I want to make sure that you are really understanding what's on these types of sales pages, and you can make a very informed decision before you go ahead and decide to part with any money. If people are already making up testimonials for a product, you can pretty much guarantee that anything else that's said on this sales page doesn't really make sense. Now the other thing you can do is there's a product here called Wi-Fi Clickits, and if I come down to their testimonials, you can actually do a little trick here. Now their testimonials are here. Now sometimes on the images you can go ahead and just right click the image and go search image on Google Lens, and this will bring you over to Google's own image detector, which is called Google Lens. Really useful tool actually. So you can use this, you can size it and just put it over people's images, and it'll actually show you where this image is turning up on the web. So this happens to be turning up in multiple locations to do with mountain beards, family bug, all of these different types of websites. This one is turning up on websites like the pixels.com, which means it's really a stock image, guys. So it's coming from Pixels. This one here This is turning up on Pikima Academy on Facebook. This one here is turning up on Age Greatly, Arcade Software, all over the web. So you can see that these are either stock images or now they are AI generated images. And you can tell that when you see something that's perfect with a very, very clean background. This one is a good example. This one here, you see this background is very, very clean and the image is very, very perfect. Now, if you just search on the web, there is sites like generated photos that actually allow you to see AI generated images. So none of these images are actually real. They've been generated by an AI. And these guys can come along here, they press on the pricing and they can just buy a load of these images to fill in for their testimonials. All pretty harmful, you may think, but at the end of the day, guys, they're telling you that 12 newbie affiliates have made money with this particular product, which is obviously enticing you to actually buy it, which is not really a nice thing to do. So this is just some very, very simple tips that you can use to find fake testimonials online. So not everybody's doing this, guys, but you will find there's a lot of products on places like Warrior Plus that have lots and lots of sales pages that, quite frankly, are not really true. I hope that's valuable to you guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.